Namaste. Welcome to Sesrekha's kitchen. Today I am making turmeric pills. I use turmeric pills as my home remedy for cough and cold. I have taken some jaggery. You can buy the jaggery in Indian stores. I'm going to crush it. When the season changes, some people get cough and cold, especially children. This is a good remedy. You can just make it instantly right in your kitchen. Okay, crushed my jaggery. You can use honey in the place of jaggery, but when you are buying honey, just be careful. The honey that is available in the regular grocery stores is contaminated with high fructose corn syrup. So it is better to buy organic honey. Okay, and then I am taking ginger powder, ground ginger, about 1 spoon here. Okay. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay. Turmeric is antibiotic and antiviral. Now I am going to mix these, not only for cough and cold, since both turmeric and ginger are anti-inflammatory. This is good for joint pains and muscular pains. Okay, I took 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and about 2 teaspoons of jaggery. If you want, you can add more jaggery. It is okay. Then it will be tastier and kids will love it. My jaggery is a little dry, so I'm going to add a little bit of ghee. This is a homemade ghee. I'm just adding a few drops. Just enough to make the pills. You don't have to add the ghee if your jaggery is soft, or if you are making with honey, you will be able to do it without ghee. Take some into your hand and press between your fingers. Shape it into a round pill. The pill should be approximately in a peanut size. You don't have to wait until you get cold or cough. You can use them as a preventive, or when you see first symptoms, you quickly jump into the kitchen and everything is available in your kitchen. So just make some turmeric pills and you will be protected from cough and cold. Both ginger and turmeric have so many health benefits. We have our turmeric pills ready in just a few minutes. Kids have no problem to eat this. They will eat it like a sweet. So you can make these and protect your family from cough and cold. And thank you for watching. Let me know if this is helpful, and we will meet in my next video.